चीन देश हो टिबेटा प्रमाण खुबशा देशांच्या भागांचेर आपले प्रभुत्व जोडपाक सोदता. त्या प्रमाण तो थंयच्या वेगवेगळ्या सैमीक साधनांचो वापर करतात. तशेंच भारतासारख्या हेर देशांनी कमी दरान तांत्रिक वस्तू बाजारपेठेत हाडून देशांतल्या थळाव्या उत्पादनांक बाजारांतल्यान नश्ट करपाचो यत्न हो तांचो मुखेल हेतू आसा. चीनाच्या भांडवलांत फक्त पयशांक म्हत्व आसा म्हण भारतान चीना बाबतींत सावध रावपाची गरज आसा अशें मत धर्मस्थळ हांगासरले चीनचे विरोधक टेन्जिन चिंजू ह्या कवीन पणजे घेतिल्ल्या पत्रकार परिशदेंत व्यक्त केला. आरडीएक्स खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
A colonizer doesn't have a heart in the center. A colonizer always has profit in the mind. And as long as they are able to dig out profits from these colonized countries, they will continue to do that. They have no feeling for the people, culture, community. And this is exactly what China has come to. The high idealism of communism, for which they fought and millions of people died for, fighting the nationalists, today is just the opposite. Today's China, People's Republic of China, is the most capitalist, blood-sucking capitalist, has no idea or has no feeling for ideals of communism. So they are today the most capitalist country in the world, trading with almost about 100 countries around the world, but taking advantage of their own people. Number one, labor force of Chinese people is the first income source of People's Republic of China. Second income source is the occupied countries. China is a country of 9.6 million square kilometers of land, out of which 60% is occupied country. Mongolia, East Turkestan, Tibet, Manchuria, and they are now claiming parts of India also. And they are already claiming and many control over South China Sea. This is the expansionist, imperialist China is the real picture.
So there are so many campaigns that we are working on, right? And one of the campaigns that I really wanted to talk about is this campaign called Reverse Asia's Lifeline. So as we all know that Brahmaputra is called Yarlung in Tibet. So the Brahmaputra, the lifeline of India, the water that Indians enjoy comes from Tibet. But at the same time, right now the problem is China is building a very big dam in Tibet. Not one dam, but there are thousands of dams that they are building. And two of my staff, my colleagues, they went to Assam to see like how the situations are over there, right? So they said that because of the dam, their livelihoods are being disturbed. They are facing problems with fishing and everything, right? So our campaign is basically to focus on how to stop China's damming, right? And we had so many grassroots activities, but at the same time, this September 23rd, we had a seminar as well in Delhi, an international seminar where there were people from India, professor from India, Laos, Cambodia, Bangladesh, and then Thailand as well. So we are trying to collaborate with all of them, but our main focus is on Brahmaputra, how to stop that damming and all this stuff, right?